The DB Cleaner on steroids, it's an app that helps you manage your OutSystems environment. In this app, you can delete elements from your environment scope, such as applications, e-spaces, extensions, solutions, emails, processes, and much more. This app also has an automated cleanup, which allows you to delete such elements as emails, errors, extensions, and so on, without user interaction. For example, the standard max days to keep emails is 30 days. So if we send an email today, that email will remain in our environment only for 30 days, and in the next day, the email will be deleted. You can also create your own section like I did here in order to retrieve all entities in my environment. Just to do a quick demonstration, I will create an entity called test. In order to publish this into the server, I need to create one more attribute. Let's back to the app, and if we search for test, we can see the test entity created. Now I want to share with you a warning. When using this app, I'm going to delete the test entity just to see if this is working fine. But before that, let's see what the test table has in it by clicking in View Data. And of course, we don't have any records because we didn't create any record in this table. Going back in the app and by clicking in the trash icon, we can see that the entity doesn't exist anymore. When returning in the Service Studio and refreshing the data in the table, it appears the following error: invalid object name. Why? Because we deleted the entity in the app. So as you can see, we need to be careful on what we are deleting. We need to have 100% sure that by deleting some element will not impact or damage any application. To show another demonstration, let's create a solution in Service Center and delete the same solution using the app. So, in the Service Center, in the Factory tab, let's click Solutions, New Solution, called Test. The solution was created. For any solution, we need to associate a component. I'm going to associate this one, hit Associate. And for the solution, we need to create a version. His name will be V1. And the last step is to publish our solution in our environment. By clicking the Solution tab, we can see the test solution created. Going back in the app and refreshing the page, as you can see, the test solution is here. Now we can delete our solution version or delete the solution itself. I'm going to delete the solution, and if we go back in the Service Center, the solution is gone. And this is it. The DB Cleaner non-storage can help you manage your entire environment in a good way, and you also can create whatever you like in order to get your life easier. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.